Good evening, and tonight I got a new addition for the shed, a Chinese heater. It's the 5 to 8 kilowatt. I've just taken it out of the box, and this is the heater itself. This one's got the knob and the fob, knob and fob. Right, let's go through what we've got here then. That's to fill it up with diesel. This is what comes in the kit. This is the nozzle for that. You can either put it on there or on the end of the pipe that comes with it, which is this big pipe. Then you get the air intake pipe, and I believe that attaches to the air filter. Then you got the exhaust, Jubilee clips and fixing bolts, cables for the 12 volt supply, which in this case will be going to my car battery. And then you've got quite a rigid exhaust pipe. So I'm going to put this together and I'll show it to you when it's all together, and we'll go through how to run it. So basically that's just an unboxing video. I'll do another video on it when I've got it all together. Bye for now.